Now, what does it mean, natural law? The whole universe is an expression of the totality of natural law. In the same way, the individual also is an expression of total natural law on a smaller scale, microcosm, macrocosm. But in between, there is this terrible thing, which is an interface that disconnects the individual from the cosmic. So it's like every person is put in a box. The box is not made by God. It's a man-made box. And it's the only thing actually in the whole universe, which is not in harmony with natural law. It is all these man-made structures. So since immemorial times, the people have been thinking, if, for instance, if I build a building that is dedicated to worship, a religious building, that should be special. That should have a resonance between the performance inside, the prayer and like that, and the structure of the universe. So they have orientation principles for religious buildings. The pyramids are perfectly oriented like that. But Maharishi says every human being is divine, is cosmic. So what is good for the individual has to be able to penetrate the box and to connect to the outer cosmic influence. And that is the whole art of Vedic architecture. Vedic architecture is natural law-based architecture. And how do we do it? We align it. The principle of alignment of a building to the global structure is most important. What's the global structure? North Pole, South Pole, and equator. So when you draw a line, North Pole, South Pole, and equator, it is perpendicular. So if you do the 360 degrees of a circle, then you have 360 degrees longitudes and 360 degrees latitudes, but all the angles that are intersecting are perpendicular. So it creates kind of squares or rectangles on the surface of the earth. And all the buildings that we put, they should be in harmony with this invisible grid. You can also say it's a magnetic field or whatever, but it's a basic structure of the globe, how it vibrates. So it vibrates from north to south and from east to west. And in addition, the globe has a spin. And wherever you are on the world, it always spins to the east. And to the east, what is in the east? There is the sun. So the whole earth is kind of bowing down towards the sun. That is the connection, because the planets are going around the sun. So if you have a building that once should resonate with the cosmic structure, first with the global structure and then with the cosmic structure, and then the individual is connected to the cosmic structure. So that's the idea, that individual intelligence is at all times connected to cosmic intelligence. This is Maharishi Vastu.